Right now we're flying in the state-of-the-art soccer field at City College. This is now an educational drone flying space. Before we start flying, we have to do a drone inspection. We have to check any of these wings have any nicks. Are they tight enough? Is the rotor spinning well? Is the rotor clean? Are the arms secure? The gimbal shouldn't really touch the gimbal unless you're adding a filter, because the gimbal is very sensitive, so is the camera. The sensors, these are the lens for the sensors. Depending on the model, this is a Mavic Air 2. Mavic Air 2 is a little more advanced than the minis. Check the rotors. There may be a chance that the rotors may get dirt inside. It's best not to take it anywhere where there's dirt or sand heavy. So this looks really good. I mean, all the sensors are well intact, ready to fly. The lens is clean. Now we check the battery. So when assembling the battery, make sure if you see any swelling, misshapes, it's not usable anymore. It's damaged. These batteries really don't last very long. Before flying your drone, be aware that there's planes, helicopters, and commercial airlines. Be aware that the max altitude is 400 feet. If I fly my drone beyond 400 feet, my remote will signal me through my phone and say I've surpassed the limit of flight. There are other signals that are going to warn me of within the drone. There's sensors within the drone, so it may say that there's an obstacle obstructing my flight. There may be a landing distance, or there may be other sensors around my drone, depending on the quality of the drone. Right now I have the DJI Mavic Air 2.